mateys. Hey, do you like alfalfa sprouts? I like them on salad and sandwiches. I've seen a few videos of people showing how to do it. They make it so difficult and drawn out. It's not a hard process at all. It's so simple. It's going to take about 4 or 5 days before they're ready. But here's all you need and all you need to do to grow your own alfalfa sprouts. Alright, so first of all, you don't need a fancy container or anything. Look at, I just got this. It was a cherry tomato container. It's got holes in the bottom. I punched a few other holes. Then I have a tray that I can set this in. Of course, the alfalfa seeds. Spoon to measure them with. You don't even need to measure them. And a paper towel. Here's all you do for it. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dampen this cloth, this paper towel. You don't want it real wet, just damp. Lay it in here. There we go. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of alfalfa seeds right here. I mean, this bag I have is probably going to last me 30 or 40 years. You sprinkle those in. Yeah, I got that a little wet. Alright, then we're going to dampen them. All I'm going to do is just put a little bit of water on them. Voila. Oop. Drain the water out. See, they're pretty dry. I mean, they're wet, but they're not soaking in water. Put them in my container here. Close the lid. And now I'm going to put them in a dark, warm spot for a day. And we'll come back tomorrow, and then we're going to rinse them and just do the same thing. Just rinse them once. We're going to do that for 3 or 4 days, and you'll see how they come along. Alright guys, day 2. Just going to put this water on cold. Get a little spray. Just rinse them like this. You got to rinse them every so often. You don't want to let them sit in water. Oops. Alright, that's it. Now we'll put them away and wait for day 3. Alright guys, here we are, day 3. Look at, they're starting to sprout. We're just going to rinse them again. Boom. Try and drain as much water as we can out of them. We don't want to get them all moldy and oldie. That's it. We'll be back tomorrow. Alright guys, day 4. Look at this. Look how nice those are coming. These will be ready in another day or 2. I mean, you could probably eat them now if you wanted. I'm going to let them grow another, at least 1 more day, maybe 2. And then I'm going to put them in the sunlight to green them up. Look at how nice that is. Alright, see you tomorrow. Alright guys, hey, I missed day 4. We got busy doing things. This is day 5. But look at, they're still good. They're still coming along nice. I mean, you could eat them now if you wanted. I'm just going to rinse them 1 more time though. And what I'm going to do with this batch now, I'm going to let them sit out in the sun a little bit so they green up and they're ready to eat. Alright mateys, hey, day 6. And you know, when I did day 5, I said I was going to leave them out in the sun for a little bit to green up. Look at that. Does that look good or what? These are ready to eat. You know, you just pull them out. Omelets, sandwiches, salad. It's really simple to do. And tasty and nutritious. Well, until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends. Bon appetit.